Instagram have treated us to some new features recently and we are really excited about them. If you are wondering what a reel is and how you can make your own, then stay tuned. You excited?
Ready.
You can see what other people have created by going to the Explore tab on Insta. Usually the video at the top will be a reel, and once you've tapped to view it, you can just keep scrolling to see more. To record your own, tap the top camera icon or swipe left to right as if you're starting a story. Tap Reels at the bottom of the screen and you'll see a menu of tools on the left. These will allow you to choose music for your video and also change the speed, select a filter or set how long it will be. Your reel can be up to 15 seconds in total, made up of a single clip or multiple. We're attempting the classic outfit change reel, so we're going to be recording 2 clips. Press and hold the button to record just like you would a video story. After recording a clip, you can trim or delete it if you need to by pressing the back arrow. If you're happy though, just hit the forward arrow to see the finished result. Before posting, why not add some cool effects like a GIF or some text, and then go ahead and share. We hope that you enjoy making reels as much as we did. If you do give it a go, be sure to tag us in yours. We are at @3discovery on Instagram and everywhere else. Have loads of fun using this cool new Instagram feature, and we will see you on the next video.